Listen to the dialogue and questions carefully. Questions 31 to 34. Listen to the conversation between the two students. This is a conversation.
Are you prepared for the debate in economics class? It's tomorrow, you know.
Not yet. I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to prepare for it.
Well, you know that the debate is going to be on free trade.
I know. So we really need to understand free trade because we're having a debate on free trade.
That's right.
But what I don't understand is what the professor means by debate.
Well, a debate is an organized discussion, but you won't discuss both sides. You have to argue either for or against something.
So I need to be prepared to argue for or against free trade?
Not exactly. The professor said we need to be prepared for both sides of the debate.
You mean we have to be prepared to argue either for free trade or against free trade?
Exactly. Then, in class on the day of the debate, the professor will choose students and assign them to a team to argue one side of the debate or the other.
So the professor will assign us to argue either for free trade or against free trade? We don't get to choose which side of the debate we will argue?
Exactly.
So we have to be prepared for both sides of the debate.
That's exactly right.
Question for number 31. How does the woman describe a debate? A. As a disorganized argument. B. As an organized discussion in which one presents one side only. C. As an unplanned discussion. D. As a planned discussion in which one talks about both sides. Question for number 32. When is the debate? A. The next week. B. The next month. C. The next hour. D. The next day. Question for number 33. What will happen on the day of the debate? A. Each student will decide what to debate. B. Each student will be assigned a position to debate. C. Each student will argue both sides of the debate. D. Each student will choose which debate team to join. Question for number 34. How are they supposed to prepare for the debate? A. They need to be ready to take part in the debate from either position. B. They need to decide whether they are for or against free trade. C. They need to find other students who agree with them. D. They need to choose which side of the debate they prefer.